Unlocking the power of olive oil and lemon. 10 detoxifying benefits. 1. Kickstarts digestion. Olive oil and lemon stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding digestion. 2. Liver cleansing. This duo supports liver function, helping to eliminate toxins. 3. Hydration boost. Lemon and olive oil water replenishes fluids for a refreshing start. 4. Antioxidant-rich. Loaded with antioxidants, they combat free radicals for cellular health. 5. Immune support. Vitamin C in lemon and anti-inflammatory properties bolster immunity. 6. Weight management. Olive oil and lemonade in metabolism, assisting weight loss efforts. 7. Heart health. Healthy fats in olive oil promote cardiovascular well-being. 8. Skin glow. Vitamin E in olive oil combined with lemon's cleansing properties nourishes skin. 9. Alkalizing effects. Balances levels in the body for overall health. 10. Energizing start. Olive oil and lemon provide a natural energy boost to kickstart the day.